Hello. I'm watching the match. Oh, yeah, you know last year.
And one of them had a brother.
Chill, man. You had a fight in the middle of the road, yeah? 1 against 3. Or 4. 1 against 4. What's one? You know Liam and them, the oldest, yeah, against the thing. In the middle of the road, I had another guy came, yeah? He was about to, this guy was holding the nose and things. One of the actors was so scared of the nose.
What was that fight?
You know, like last year, Irish is
What was that fight that happened this year? Where Leila
Excluded vitamin D.
Well, did you get excluded for that? Wow, how did you get excluded for that?
Well done, Hussein. Oh yeah, basically. Four of them against one of them was and when No came, they were all running away. Yeah, No was running after them. I was stronger than No. No? You know, I don't think he's that easy. I don't think he's that easy. You know what it is? Because he grew up in a place where it's very violent. Good shot, he missed, good shot. I know for a fact, Mustafa. I know for a fact he was holding.
Oh, you remember last time in the game when he just like overlooked?
Apparently he was flying.
You know, one on the card, this is the goal, right? Oh, it was him.
Nah, listen, his name was Miss Daniel. Look, he's a World Cup player. You can't like...
Not Neymar, Messi has.
Neymar has Brazil. It was right.
Yeah, this is the same one to Ronaldo.
AJ. Watch him,
Where is he?
Mahad, I got a goal. You need to fill it up. I need to fill it up. I need to go. Huh?
I don't know.
Hey, Mahad.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Far left. I'm running now.
He took a shot.
Maya, because you know what? You're the only team left. Maya, you're the only team left. Maya, stop the ball.
يلا باوركا والله إني لك شيء
كاميرا الحكة لا تحكي لا تحط كذا
والله كله دوية
kooxda rabeen xamar la geeyo you have to dadkii deganayna wadid weey
صح
hadii degdeg hadaan wadin qofkii kale uu baqaya oo ma qayda safaak
aniga ninkan ila marka aniga ku shaqeeyo
واكي لما صار ودي له قاسي كان مقم
When do we want to start again? لا إذا هنا.
انتوا كامر مرابع حبيبي ليك تستحملوا ما شاء الله ورياضة يرفع عن هالعيال
Boys, salam alaikum. Thank you for coming anyway. First of all, thanks both of you actually coming. Just a few basic rules about Ramayana this show. We've been doing this every game with Samena, right? It's just to remind you guys, there is a rules and regulations, and the reasons that we actually made the rules and regulations is protect you guys and the referees. And that's what's actually important to us. As you know, guys, this competition, we've done this for you guys to enjoy yourselves and get to know, create friendships. Please, we need you guys, number one, to focus on playing football. Your game, focus on your game. We want you to respect the referees. They are number one important to us because they're the ones who actually every day come in here, to make your games easy for you guys. We're not going to say that they're not going to make mistakes. The Premier League referees do make mistakes. We know that. So, but what we need, you guys, please, we need you to focus on your game. If there's any issues or anything like that, we have got steps to follow. Tell your management, your manager will come to us when we will deal with it. All we want from you guys, all these people here, come to watch you guys. And we want to see a good game. We want you guys, if mistakes do happen, in each other match, if mistakes happen, please shake hands and move on. This is to create a friendship. It's not about winning. Winning is part of it. It's not the main focus match. But please, we need you to enjoy the game, and we want you to show us that the reasons that we're doing this is for us not to feel happy, please, and you guys feel happy. Thank you very much for listening, and have a good game.
يا معلم Somali week this year, 2018. You're lucky. Legend Somali, legend 1968.
60? What are you talking about? 60?
1970. 85. Best management in Somalia. 1982. Zvaria, from Zvaria. Best media. From Toronto, Canada. Somali week, Canada.
Shower. And you as well, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Mr.
Gonna take afterwards. Thank you.
Thank you. Come on. Good luck, guys. All the best.
هذا كم جدا كم جدا كم عبد العزيز هذا اللي ما عقلت اليوم فجول اللي قاعد يجري هذا اللي فيه والله هذا بس
والله I should have. Oh, my love, you know it was. They came to me, but you know, I went to 2016.
Try to do some banter stuff like your course. I don't know. Don't like try to do some.
That one. Yo, my legs are tired. But hey, oh my I went 2016 Bernardo, right? Yeah, I won that team. I was the man. Oh man, then so then my man goes following me, Chaluk. Then this year I went there. You don't need
هذا بس اللي ما صور ولا كبر وحدي ولا كمان ولا كبر ولا كبر يا كرسي لا عربي مو بس
Ayo, who's like this?
youngsters are playing better than the older ones, man. This is proper football. Me?
Nice to start off here, but he's so sick. Top scorer. So mad. See?
I got smoke.
حق يستك.
ماشي ضغط يلا كده
تعالى تعالى
I know I'm a skinny nigga, but no way how I'm
Farah is staying up again after game with Farah. Yeah, you know what she did. Farah, leave it now.
Cafe is now open. Coffee, tea, sandwiches, Christmas chocolates available.
¿Cómo estamos para la mano? No me molestes esto,
Can I get 11 good?
I'm bugging out. This guy.
Kubuntu.
بدنا ست صفار الدنيا ضلها من الدنيا
شوية والله بالعربي اضرب شوية واحد قال لا والله اغرس ما سينا هذه عارف معوض وايش اخوي شي يصير مكانه سبي على دوش حتى اخوي شي يصير يندش دقق كان
I was chilling. I'm gonna film myself. When it makes it towards him, it turns away.
I'm Boca! I welcome them home. Boca! One line now, Boca! Top pins, Boca! Show them who's the boss! Come on, Boca! Utah, are you crazy? Yeah. Unlucky Boca! Alright, next time, the other side. I can do it though, wallahi. Let's be real, yes, is there.
See that same punch you got today?
I can't let that guy let you go there.
No, you done him. Wallahi, you done him. And Sharp's always gonna run in it. Wallahi, you done him nicely. No.
Why are you coming late? Omar, you're ugly.
These guys are, wallahi, they're getting outsmarted.
So black.
Amin! I act like you're a calm head act.
Where's Amin here?
Where else?
Yeah, he knows.
Amin. Say nothing, man. The whole thing you've been trying to do. Big man. Hey, but guess what? I'm fighting. Feel like that? Fighting who? Huh? Anyone. Me? Who's that? Who's that? Tuna say names. Take names. Take the place. Forget names. Marina. I know 110% I want to be. That's a fact. Hey, ever since I've been in Marina, I ain't seen a single fight.
Tesco's there, right? Turn right.
There's only one on that one.
There's a little like shop there.
That's a back here,
On the side, on the side.
right here.
It's really stuck on the
No! Things fine. Look up now, look up. Very man great. Very man great. You see that?
You know what he's doing?
You need a guy to get
It's a shot. New wrestler, yeah? New acting, yeah?
One minute.
Wallahi, he's been outside like 100 times. What team is this?
fucking look at that with the grin on your face and that music.
Let the game done.
Oh yeah. He's got one. They're the team that said I will cook You should have passed the street. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This guy with the magnet. You want to talk about? No, I don't see it. That's it. He's a nut. Almost. He's trying to get that solid. He's going to say, I have to get it back. That's what I'm saying, but they need to get a goal just now. Wow. Big kick. Oh my God. والله يقول جيني مشتي عادل كان مستوى والله imagine I made 1-2. Yeah, 1-2. The keeper's dead. No. I was facing it. Would have been hard to cut it back. It's to them. Because I was right there.
Things like that, I would have blocked out. What is he doing?
I come down. Oh, I was on the line. Oh, they fucked him up. Like, how you did it? I got in my head 1-2. I think it was one man.
Ibrahim, drive. Forward, Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, yo. No Eritrean.
Play. Man on.
I win that. Down. Ibrahim, my dog. Don't look at me, boss. That's not offside now.
Hey, bro.
Is that overdue?
It's relaxed. Danger. Oh! Someone's trying to get that young beacon. Oh, he's a media, what a beacon. No structure right now. Let's see something now. It's even. Look at this 15. What are you doing? Yeah, they don't want to make... There's 6 on 6 right now. There's 6 on 6. The middle's open. Yeah, oh my God. Oh my...
Shower.
Oh, I like it. What's the shower? He's enjoying it right now. He's enjoying it. To the guy. The red, innit? Can you get that? It's good, it's good, it's good. Oh! Something.
Was that Amin?
The mama's in the way. I'm trying to get this guy. Mama, wallahi.
Eyeliner, how long left? 40. Huh? 40. 40. Hey, Evs, what about your shit team?
Did you see that one do earlier? And he was last man to go like that. Oh my goodness, what a
Daniel Alves. Man, I'm not going to win. Empty. That's what I'm saying. The best chance you could have scored. No disrespect. Yeah, no disrespect. You have to do the highest goal. You got another one now. Oh my. But they're happy, man. They're loving it. Look!
It's not. Allah is not offside.
Oh, you violated them, that was a rule.
I'm not offside, bro.
Offside, yeah.
Oh, did you pick your heart now? Ibrahim. This one? Nothing, please. I'll pay for your food. Look, bro, you don't want it. He ain't even on his toes.
He's tired, man. He just come off. That guy came off the floor.
The other way.
Honcho. I told you that guy's kind of wax.
Yes.
Oh, he tried to disrespect.
Nadine, go on.
This guy can just come now.
Oh, bad man. Shower, trust me. Yeah, well, that's
Nah, red. This one
Where's your touch? Looks like you got. Well, I took it.
should have opened it. Huh? Where's he coming on to play? Yeah, he's playing left back. He's playing right wing. Okay, active right now. Active.
Boys, you know.
What collapsed his neck? Yeah, bro. 100%.
Stay away till Oma gets home.
He's called the fight.
And you're night manager, night shift manager. What?
I'm a Tim Woodgalley. I'm still playing.
Go, man!
No trouble. Best space in this game though. Way more space than ours. Listen to this. I don't know where those ones are.
I had to close your legs!
Shower! He's doing it. He's wearing number 10. He's loving this team. He's loving it. Another goal. Come on, bro.
Allah! Should have relaxed. Nah.
This side is where the trouble is.
You know what that's over, That's it. Where are you recording the game? Tell Derek. Universal. Yeah? تعالي صدر معه.
It's not enough. Not yet. I this one. I'm be like you, wallahi. That's tight. Oh yeah, I need to get this one. Please. Hey, come on. Wingers have that too, you know. Wingers have that too. He needs to go move forward, man.
Swalas. Did it? Oh! Allah! Allah! Are you missing?
Can you see the ball? That was a goal. Yeah, calm. I thought it was a goal. I'd have been peak. Oh my God. Oh, he smashed that. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro, wallahi.
Your team are not taking no shots. Are you going to score?
Come on.
So he's such a the red team, innit? Red team is losing by 6 Nah, the red team actually the blue team have the ball more. The red team will take counter. Please, just keep
So what are you?
It's quiet though, as a number 2. It's quiet, very quiet.
You see that one? The one where he was just.
It's really those school nice goals, bro. You know the nasty ass, like, this goes in millions, bro.
She's playing. But at least that's my fault.
You know the school nice goals.
Yeah, no one's driving. I don't know that. Yeah,
Your shots before Richard minus.
yeah, he's doing that. Like, the hair goes back still.
Your goal to shots ratio is minus.
I'm doing that game now.
No, don't go to find side. None of that. Nah. No, you don't score, bro. And you stop score the club. Oh my god, that bro. That's their ball as well.
I love it. I love Omar.
Why is it always like this?
They're winning it.
Go to goal, right? Don't play football like that. He's gonna kick it as well.
They got you inside. Smoking is breathing for some reason. I'm going over the top. Come on.
Almost ball.
It's not a run about it. He needs to bring it down on one play. Get it?
I think first he has to get the ball.
There's no shot.
Nah, don't do it.
Hey, this someone said to me, hey, this name is done.
You did?
You can do the math. Abdullahi, touch.
Good touch, Abdullahi. Watch out around you, Abdullahi.
I hand it.
Omar, push me. You see Omar, aye?
Omar pushed him.
What? Oh, the run. I would think it's like drink it. Man, not But. 1-0.
Destroying him, bro.
I had to, man. It's running, bro. Well done. I'm not making nothing.
He looked at like, okay.
You missed the game, bro. Good game.
Bye.
Yeah, got to go! Woo!
That keeper got David Steve. But remember, they hit the post like twice as well. Oh my, that guy's dead. Oh my, the guy you said came on is dead. Oh my, the guy that came on, dead. Yeah. The one that was here. He's 16.
Not playing on this side.
I'm not liking this.
Hey, I played against Southall 3 times.
Who's the problem?
Problem. Hey, and the first time we played them, 30 yards out.
Right now, you came off the bench.
No, you came off the bench.
I felt like that was good.
You know what I'm saying? Shut the fuck up. I mean about Marley's and playing in the house.
I might get his name. Is it Jones? Oh, when he speaks.
Hey, you gotta fight that. What's the fight though? Hey, you do that as well, blood. I've only been stuck 8 seasons. Jesus, turn off. Is that the shots turned off? There you go, this. The whole soul leaves.
We're playing against the same.
My man's pace is annoying them, bro. And the first piece.
Allah, I wanted him to shoot. It has to be a pistol. It has to be. He's done it. Finish it. Yeah! What is that again? Wallah, you got back. I'll give you problems.
I want blood. Yeah. I get the Bedouins. Ibrahim, head up. Go hit the post and then run back. Ibrahim, head up.
They hit the post. They love the post. They hit the post all the time.